I've got a bag of these nice extruded tubing pieces that I'd like to try to use on some different projects. I've hammered on some of this in the past and have to say that it almost seems softer than typical 1018 or A36 mild steel. How can I be a guy that makes tongs and never seem to have the right tong myself? Anyway, it's a rhetorical question, I know why, and I'll remedy that soon. If anyone wants one of these bending jigs, platinum pins with removable hardy shank, I can offer a good price right now. Just send me an email. Good friend of the channel, Ron Thacker, sent me a bunch of these cork coasters that he made. I'm not sure if he sells these, but if he does and you're interested, you can email me and I can ask him then. By the way, if anyone orders something from me and would like one of these paint pens, then just let me know. The markings hold up very well to heat, as you can see here. So this is the first time that I've made this style of trammel hook, and I think you can tell that I'm kind of just fumbling along. I'm sometimes hot cutting and hot punching, sometimes hacksawing and drilling, sometimes grinding, sometimes filing. I'm just kind of doing whatever I want. So this is kind of dumb. I've got the holes drilled on the inner piece first. No matter, I'll make it work. I've got to dress this a little bit to make it fit just a bit better. Call the ambulance. I'm dying from heat stroke out here. We've had a really mild spring, but suddenly someone turned the furnace on. Summer is here. So the dynamics of this kind of trammel are kind of interesting, and you've got to put a little bit of forethought into it, some of which I haven't done, obviously. I had to dress back those pointed ends a bit, so that this way I'll be able to catch them, but then also they'll be able to move from one to the other. Also, the very bottom one there, it's not long enough, that piece. But it won't matter so much, you'll see that. So here you can see I should have made the tooth piece a little bit longer on the bottom end. It's okay, it'll catch right there, but it would have been just a little better if it was a little bit longer. I apologize that my hairy arms are taking over the scene. Most times when I make items like this, I'll either use it myself or give away as a gift. But I think I might start listing things like this in my Etsy store just at a nominal price, just so I can recoup a little bit of propane money. So that's all there is to it. I'm fairly pleased with this first go at this style of trammel hook. I can see where I can make improvements, but overall, this is pretty nice. I hope you've enjoyed this one and that you stick around for more. Got a lot more fooling around to do.